Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using the home screen that you can see right here as the example for it. So once it's open and visible, simply press and hold power key and volume down. Now you will feel a vibration, at which point you can let go of the keys. It takes a couple seconds for this to show up, but once it does, you can basically tap on OK to save it. You can select what you want to do. As you've seen, there was just get back to it. So you have a full local, which basically allows you to crop it. Can I get it back? Oh, there we go. We have paint, which allows you to draw on it. A free, which will simply allow you to use your finger to select the area that you want to select. And surprisingly, we also have a long screenshot, which that is really surprising. So that being said, by tapping on OK, it saves. But now that there is a other option, I'm going to quickly go into the settings because that is the easiest way to show off scrollable screenshot. So again, same as before, hold volume down and power key. Once this shows up, you can simply tap on long, and this will start basically scrolling down. Once you tap on the screen, this will automatically stop the screenshot, and there we go. So now the screenshots that we have captured can be found in our photo gallery. So gallery right here, and there it is. There is the normal screenshot from the home screen, and then there is the long screenshot, which you can see. There we go. It's about almost the size that it's supposed to be. So that is how you can capture screenshots on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.